guys, welcome back to Doc's Practice Room. I am so glad and so honored that you would stop by my channel. It's an honor and privilege that you would even stop by my channel to check out this lesson on today. I have a great lesson, great lesson for us on today. Now, we've been dealing with eighth notes. We've been dealing with accented eighth notes on the downbeat, the upbeat, and then we had the 16th notes in the beginning, one E and accented the downbeat. Then we had one E and accented the and then we just had the one and a, right, accented the downbeat. Now we are back with one and a again, but we're accenting the eighth with the and. So we're gonna have and a one and a two. So you're gonna have one and a two and a three and a four and a one and a two and a three and a four. So all right, so it's gonna sound like this on the hi-hat. All right, so it's gonna be like one and a two and a three and a four and a one and a two and a three and a four and a one. It kind of have that thing happening again, right? Right. So let's try that 50 BPM. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, so you see how that takes place, one and a two. So you start with the tap first, one and a two, and then you have that accent, hard accent, right? So 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a two and a three and a four and a one. We're gonna add our kick drum this time. 2, 1, 2, ready, and. All right, now let's add the snare drum in there. Let's do 2 rounds with the hi-hat by itself, and let's add the snare drum in the mix to it. All right, let's try it. 2, 1, 2, ready, and. So now let's see if we can layer this thing together. Start with the hi-hat, and then we're doing the bass drum, and then we add the snare drum in there. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. So now let's just start it right on, start it right at the top with everything in for a few rounds. 1, 2, ready, and play. All right, hopefully you were able to get that. It's a little tricky again, like I said. So now we're gonna put a little speed onto it and try to get a little bit more flavor out of it. All right, let's go up to 70 BPM. And 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. hopefully you were able to make it. Let's go on up to 90 BPM. All right, let's try it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's go on up to 110. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shall we try 130? We'll try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, listen, I am so excited. I am so excited for you. If you have gotten this far with all the lessons that we have gone through the last few days, you are a major champion. I am so glad and so honored again that you stopped by my page. Listen, I hope this lesson has helped you. Leave me a comment below, get to them and answer them for you. Because I mean, we all in this thing together. We're always learning. And the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. Even myself, I have to work every day to keep myself abreast and improve in my drumming skills too as well. All right, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.